Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over a slip knot and a chain stitch for when you are crocheting. The end result looks like this here. It is your foundation for most of the projects that you will be working in when you are crocheting. In order to make a slip knot, the first thing that you're going to want to do is fold the yarn onto itself like you would just to make a regular knot. This is the end of the rope here, so I'm actually going to bring this and loop it on top here with the piece of string that is on top. I'm going to take the end pretty close to the loop and insert it through. Once I have it inserted, I'm going to grab hold of the working piece of yarn and I'm going to pull tight. This is now your slip knot. What's nice about these in your projects is that it allows you to create that loop as big or as small as you need it. Very helpful in circular patterns. For the purpose of this video, we are going to create a smaller loop just so that we can insert our hook into it. Okay. End of your yarn over here and inserting your hook. And you pull tight a little bit just to get it snug in there. As far as your working piece of yarn, this is the yarn that is attached to your skein. There are many different ways to hold your piece of yarn while you are working with it. My preference is between the pinky here, and then I wrap it around the pointer. It is whatever feels most comfortable for you. The first step in making your chain is allowing the yarn to come around the hook here. So step one, you can either wrap your yarn or your hook or do it at the same time around, just enough so that your hook part is able to grab onto that, and then you would pull that down onto the loop that is already on your hook here. You would put it through the hole and come up. This would be considered your first chain. So let's do it again. I move my hook up a little bit, wrap it around the piece of yarn enough so that it hooks underneath, and then pull it down, excuse me, through the loop. Okay. Again, up, yarn it over, and pull through that current loop that is on your hook. Yarn over. Once it is hooked, pull through that loop. Another time, yarn over, pull down through that loop, and here is your chain.